हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे एम एस एक्सेल के सीलिंग फार्मूला के बारे में। व्हाट इज सीलिंग फार्मूला? सी बेसिकली व्हाट इट डज इज इट राउंड्स अप a number to the nearest integer. See, for example, this number is 3. If we want to round up this particular number to the nearest multiple of 5, and this is 6, if we want to round up this number also to the nearest multiple of 5, so what we can do is we can use the ceiling formula. See how we can use it. We will write is equals to ceiling. Ceiling means Ceiling, bracket open. Then we will select the cell where the value is stated. Then we'll write comma 5 bracket closed. What this formula will be doing is this formula will round up a number to the nearest integer, but the number will be the succeeding one. See, what I've stated is I've stated the number 5. I want the multiple of 5 over here. So what happens is the number will be the next subsequent number, not the preceding one. If we use the formula floor, मतलब उससे पहले वाला number वो लेके आएंगे. But if we are using the formula of stealing, that means the multiple of 5 that will be coming after this particular number. So if we'll press enter, see the number is 5 over here. 3 के nearby जो multiple of 5 था, that was only 5. So the 5 is here. Now what I'll be doing is I'll select the blank empty cells and press Ctrl D. So here it is. For the value of 6, the multiple of 5 is 10. See, it has taken 10, not 5. Why? Because the formula is ceiling. Ceiling means the next one, the bigger one. You will not take the preceding one, you will be taking the succeeding one. So we are not considering 5 over here. We are considering the multiple of 5, that is 10, the next one. 64 has become 65, 13 has become 15, 7 has become 10. See, 7 has become 10, it has not become 5 because the formula is of ceiling. Ceiling means the succeeding, next one. And if we use the floor formula, it means that the preceding one. So here it is. Instead of 5, you can write down any particular number in this particular formula. See over here, you can write any 6, 7, 8. So their multiple will be stated over here. See how easy it is. If you want to know more such videos, more such formulas, you can check our playlist. We are uploading it on daily basis. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.